Hi guys, I'm Christine of LLBC, Lovely Loose by Christine. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this cute rose. Okay. Very simple and easy to learn rose. Okay. This is good for beginner. You can use any kind of yarn, any color that you want. Okay. You can use this as an accessory on your headband, dress, shoes, bags. You can use it anywhere. Okay, so if you're ready, let's start. Okay guys, using a 2.5mm crochet hook and Indofil. Okay, in this project I'm going to use Indofil for ply and 2.5mm crochet hook. Okay, so to begin, make a slip knot. Slip knot and then chain 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 59, 60. Okay, so when you have 60 chain, skip the first 5 chain and then in the 6th chain, make your first double crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, skip that. Then in the 6th, make your first double crochet. Okay. But instead of inserting my hook in this, okay, I will turn my chains like that and I will put it on the back bump here. There, on the back bump. Okay, there. So double crochet. So this is our first V-stitch. Okay, the first 2 chain will represent your first double crochet, and then the another 3 chain represent your chains for the V-stitch. Okay, so again, so skip 2, skip this 2 bump. Okay, 1, 2, then in the 3rd bump, there, make 1 double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet all in the same stitch. Okay, then again skip 2 bump, skip this, then in the 3rd one, make your double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Okay, again skip these 2 bump, 1, 2, then in the 3rd, make double crochet, chain 3 and double crochet. Okay, like that. But if it's difficult for you to insert your hook on the back bump, you can also use the regular technique. Inserting your hook, like for example in this one, you skip 2 stitch and then you can insert your hook in here. Okay? But in all of my projects, I always use back bumps because it looks better that way and it's more beautiful. Okay? So let me continue this one. So skip 2 in the next, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Okay, just continue doing that, then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, I'm at the end of my row, making my last V-stitch. So skip 2, stitch. Then in this last, make your last V-stitch, double crochet, chain 3, and then double crochet. There. Okay, so mark your first 5 V-stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, put your stitch marker on your 5th V-stitch. Okay, so now chain 2, turn your work, and then in this first V-stitch, make 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in this space, okay, in this triangle that you see here, not the V-stitch, okay, this triangle here, make single crochet. Okay, so 6, and then on the triangle, make single crochet. Then in your next V-stitch, make another 6 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in this triangle, make your single crochet. Okay, so in this first 2 V-stitch, we make 6 double crochet. So in the remaining V-stitch, we're going to put 8 double crochet in each V-stitch. Then in starting from this, okay, let's make 10 double crochet in each V-stitch. Okay, double crochet in this V-stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so again in this triangle, make your single crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so just repeat that until you reach this stitch marker. Just remember, we put 6 double crochet in the first 2 V-stitch. Then we put single crochet in each triangle. Okay, then in the remaining V-stitch, put 8 double crochet in each. Okay, so let me finish this one until I reach this stitch marker, then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, there you go, I'm done. I reached this stitch marker. So along the way, it's natural for your work to twist like this. Okay, remove that stitch marker, and then from that V-stitch, make 10 double crochet in each V-stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in each V-stitch, make 10 double crochet. Finish yours, then I'll show you what to do next. There you go, I'm done with my double crochets. So now chain 1 and cut your yarn. Leave a long tail, long enough to sew our roses. Okay, sew the edges, then pull that through. Okay, so now let's arrange it. Okay, So just roll it over, but I prefer to roll it on the wrong side. Okay, so this is your output when you roll your rose on the wrong side. Okay, I will show you the difference. Okay, this is the right side of our project and this is the wrong side, so I will roll it like this. This is the right side. Okay, there. Okay. This will be your output when you choose the right side of your project. Okay, see the difference? Okay, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Okay, it's up to you whether you like to roll your work on the right side or on the wrong side. Okay, but for me, I prefer this one, the wrong side, because it's more bloom than this one. Okay.
So now, let's sew the bottom to secure it.
So now, let's sew the back side. So turn it like this. Okay. Just sew your work in those chains. Okay. Just make sure that all rows are sewed. Okay, all the chains. Okay. Each rows. Okay, so in the center, and then side. Okay, like that. Continue doing that until you are sure that it's secured. That it will not unravel. Okay. When you think that it's secure, okay, just sew it on your project. Like for example, in these shoes. Okay. Sew it. Just sew it, or you can use E7000 or glue gun if you don't want to sew. Okay. So that's it. We're done at our rose tutorial. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, please click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to get notified on my next tutorial. Thank you!
Thanks for watching!